Hello and welcome back to another exciting video. And in today's video I'm basically going to be prying open my holes to install my wires with this screwdriver. So there's two screwdrivers I have here. One I'm going to be using to knock out the holes so I can easily enter my connectors and put my wires inside of the panel. So again, this video is basically about installing the wires, getting my wires prepped for the service to come on. Also, it will include installing my grounding and stuff like that. All the stuff that I need to do in order to make this work for inspection. So again, please just sit back, enjoy the video, and also don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share, and also who hasn't subscribed to the video, to the channel, you can go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and also make sure that it's on all, and I will catch you guys at the end of the video. Also, it's very important to remember that please hire an electrical contractor to come in and do the work that is needed inside of your house. Um, this video is just for video purposes only, and I don't recommend that anyone try this at home, as it can be very dangerous to the people around you if you don't know what you're doing. As we come very close to the end of the video, I would like to give a shout out to Trill and also Trill, just hold it down. Time is just wasting right now, and I will see you pretty soon. Also, for all those who have watched the video, hope you guys enjoyed, and also continue to support the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video.